All right. Gold evening or gold morning, gold afternoon, and to everyone. Hi, this is Jed Valero of Team eToro Pilipinas. Kamusta, kamusta? Magandang gabi, umaga, at hapon. Let's see. So, kamusta kayong lahat? Mic test na lang natin just to make sure na you guys could hear me. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, medyo late yung stream natin today. Um, sarap ng tulog. Rainy season kasi dito ngayon sa Pilipinas. And at the same time, ang dami nagkakasakit. So, yeah. So today, we are still continuing on our road to recovery, right? Medyo nagpula tayo. Sobrang pula, actually. And we're trying to recover on that. So we're going to focus today dito sa, looking for those big breaks and sticking to our strategy pa rin. Strategy pa rin, right? Same strategy. Here we go. Mm-hmm. Yeah, waiting for those opportunity or entry points natin. Kanina, I was actually watching it and I mean, yung around, I think it was around, yeah, 11:50, which I usually start my trading at around 11, right? Um, but yeah, sayang yung hindi ko siya na sakyan, although no to FOMO, right? Um, Hindi ko siya nasakyan kanina, but I saw that it was going up and confirmed the pattern in our swing time frames. And I saw the stock, the fast one, which is a blue indicator dito sa lines natin dito sa baba. It's actually going up, right? So sa position natin in our low risk, this is a new month, right? We actually bought um, ito. We actually bought gold. Yeah, we bought gold and pound Japanese yen. Medyo bumaba yung pound Japanese yen. And so we'll see where that goes. And this is low risk, by the way. So I guess we're just gonna watch it, uh, how it unfolds for this week. If it doesn't go our way, then I'm just gonna cut loss. But I'm somewhat confident na it's gonna recover. I'm actually thinking of adding since it's going below. Yeah, I'm actually thinking of adding a bit. So we'll see. Need natin pa i-visit yung technical analysis natin dyan. In our high risk account, which like just shared sa Facebook group natin, and for everybody who is not yet part of our group, you could easily um, easily Google or search our group in Facebook, right? Just type Team eToro Pilipinas, and you should find us there, and just request to join the group. in our hires account here, and yes, I just posted that and shared to everybody kanina. And, we're still trying to recover, right? And although yung executions natin is still there, and confident we'll be there, right? Soon, very soon. So wag lang natin i-rush kasi, when you're rushing things, basically it just gets you in trouble, diba? All right, so right now we'll look at those entry points here. Medyo papunta na siya sa overbought dito. Same with 30 minutes and 45 minutes, the um, swing time frames natin. So we'll wait for that entry again. Um, Hello there, sa Dubai, UAE, to Mark Lester Joson. Thank you for tuning in. Gold morning, Samyan and Mark. Yes, good trades and better returns for everyone. Yep, exactly. So we're looking for that entry point right now. So what I do, um, let's see. hmm Yeah, I don't like going in when it's like this. Yung parang malapit pa sa 80 points or sa overbought area dito rin. So I'll wait for it. Let's wait it out. Because if it's gonna go down, then that means it's gonna go down. Although it already marked another 30. It's still closing. No, it already reached another day. So last opening sa gold, sa day chart natin was way, it was around 152 or 22. Let's just say 22, or let's just use 100 on the tens, right? So 22s tayo, tapos ngayon it's hovering at 27. So that's kind of far by 5 points, right? Plus 5 points. Looking at si Dow Jones dito. It's although it's close, so it kind of pointless to have that. Oops, X ko ba? Ayan, yeah, medyo na X ko yan. So kanina it was like that. So, and again, this is not like 100% indicator that pag bumaba yung Dow Jones, right? Or yung majority of the big markets in the US, tataas din yung gold. But it could be an indicator, right? So, a reminder lang dyan. We look at it as part of yung parang, one of our requirements sa checklist natin when we were deciding our execution. So, looking at here, see dito, sumangbaba niya. But the gold um, was actually just hovering here. Pagtaas ulit, it was still going up. So it's not really an actual indicator like 100% of the time. It could be, but not 100%, right? Right now, it's hovering down below here at 2500s. Last close, because it's a holiday today right now in the US, it's Labor Day. So wala sila, right? So the rest of the world na lang yung trading. So it closed around 26, right? It was actually going up, but the gold was still going up, right? And that was like, this is the day chart, right? So gusto ko lang makita kasi I wanted to like confirm yung checklist natin if it's still there. If it's still valid. Sometimes it's not, sometimes it is. So kaya that's what I'm trying to say. Hindi siya 100% all the time part of our indicator. So here, let's see. I think we're seeing a good entry point, but I'll wait for the 15-minute time frame. We're still live like 9 minutes, so patience is really definitely a good thing to have when you're trading. Yeah, and it's a good thing also generally in life, right? So here in the 5 minutes sa primary time frames natin dito, we're still seeing that um, trend that it could be going down, right? But it didn't actually went to the over um, bought line sa 80, but it looks like it's going down because time frames natin, it's actually showing that the fast stop is crossing and the volume is actually, or the buy volume is actually thinning out, right? Based on the MACD. So let's see. So it's just hovering here. If you look at the 1 second, it's still hovering, 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 up and down, right? And since we're trading in the eToro and then yung spread medyo malaki, hindi siya maganda medyo. Unless, you were able to come in here dito sa 1527 or 27s, tapos nag-break sa 28s, which that's actually a good trade. But it's not our strategy, right? So we don't risk too much. Trying to be on the safe side um, most of the time if we can. So here we go. By the way, yes. Also, just tawag ito. Gusto ko lang sagutin yung mga one of the common questions that I get, like how can we support you, Jen, aside from copy trading your soon to be popular investor account in eToro, which I could actually earn something from it monthly once pumatong na tayo sa level 2, I believe. Yeah, I can't remember. But another way for you guys to support me if you want, and I'd really appreciate it if you could follow and subscribe here in my Twitch channel. Um, there should be a button if you're using a browser. It should be in the upper right side. There should be a button there to subscribe or follow. You could also scroll down dito sa Twitch channel natin. If you're again using a browser or your app, there should be a subscribe button just below the YouTube subscribe button sa baba, and you could click on that and subscribe to my channel. And also, you could also subscribe to my YouTube channel, which where we're gonna like post most of our replays there, the highlights and mga tips and tricks and guides that we'll be making in the future also. And I really appreciate if you follow me there too. Thank you in advance. Ayan na. Still going up. Okay. Let's see. Saan ba yung last niya? On my low risk, actually, it could be, I could be breaking out here. Yung TP ko dito is actually 1531. And it's showing that it could potentially reach that. It's going up, 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 up. Okay. See yung buy trend, ang daming bumibili. Yung nag-spike dito, ang haba. Let's see. Yeah, I don't like buying. I don't like having a long position, especially in that kind of situation scenario. Because if you notice in any stock or in any market, actually, when there's a big jump, especially with volatile markets, when there's a big jump, right, or down or dive, right, usually when they're reverse on it, medyo sharp then, right? So you might want to watch out for that. Ito, ang haba ng jump dito from 124. Yeah, malaki. 5 points. And now it's going back and breaking that resistance. All right, I might actually TP here. Dito sa low risk ko. Ayan na. Um, I'm not sure though if that will break 1531 in this time frame. What's the next? Next 530. Yeah, the 30s. Tingnan natin if that would break. The next one is 33. It's still going up. Mhm. Also, by the way, if hindi nyo pa alam, if you're not yet with or with us in sa Discord channel, we already have. We just added recently, actually, the Trump news channel, and because we consider it as a part of our indicators, di ba? Um, so make sure that, by the way, that you opt in to a group or classroom sa Discord natin for you to see that, because it's only visible to those users that actually opt in. Also, fair warning. Let me show you. This is it, right? This is the Trump channel that I just created the other day. And again, fair warning sa lahat na hindi pa nag-update ang pangalan nila. Please make sure to update your nicknames, right, into your real names. Because we'll be purging this Discord channel, and you guys know that we actually publish um, or share information to Discord channel in faster compared sa Facebook group, right? Facebook group could take, I don't know, a few days, a few hours. That's why we don't, again, let me repeat it, we don't recommend na dun kayo magtanong sa Facebook group because that's not our real-time setup uh, medium to ask questions. So if you want to ask questions and are hoping to get an answer as soon as possible, then dun sa Discord ka magtanong. And also please try to be resourceful and be in this, check Google first, check eToro page. If it's an eToro related question, please check the help pages sa eToro. Madali lang. All you have to do is read and understand what you're reading, right? Kasi ang daming nagre-read but hindi hindi nag-internalize ano binabasa, right? So please, you know, be resourceful. Because like Admin Banksky posted the other day, right? A minimum requirement to be an actual trader, right? To be an investor, actually in life, is to have that initiative, right? Yung initiative natin, classmates and fellow investors and peers, is very important, right? Initiative meaning, if you think about something and if you feel the urge to find that answer, first things first is please look it up sa Google. Baka makuha mo lang, right? If it's not, if you can't find it there, that's the time that you ask the community or the group, right? Because at the end of the day, it's a community, it's an open community, it's a free community. Nobody is paid to answer questions, di ba? But we try our best to help, especially newbies to understand and find those questions. So we don't like spoon feeding. Right? Number one, hindi natin gusto is spoon feeding because the moment you spoon feed, answers, nagiging super dependent yung mga newbies natin and they won't learn anything, right? They might get something, but when you're alone and then of course hindi naman tayo 24/7 gising, especially in our moderating team and our veteran traders, hindi naman 100% tayong gising, right? So when you are actually doing it on your own and then you have a question, tapos if you don't have that initiative to look for it, yun, that's gonna be your anong tawag nito, block, right? So nagiging block siya sa progress nyo, so nagiging stop siya. So you have to wait pa a few hours or the next day bago ba siya masagot, di ba? That's the same thing sa sa Facebook group natin. If you post your questions there and you're expecting to get an answer as soon as possible, that's not the right platform to ask you questions, di ba? That's why we created Discord kasi we used to have yung sa Facebook chat sa Messenger, right? It's a group but it's limited to only like 100, right, members. sa group chat. So we decided to migrate, and then we developed and then added a lot of tools, and also we um, you know consolidated all our resources. We filtered the good ones only, and we pinned it sa Discord channel natin. Kaya medyo mahirap unawain bakit hindi tayo nagbabasa um, dito sa Discord natin, which we have a lot of resources there already, like tailored and organized dun sa group page. So yun lang. Please, if you are a veteran trader and if you find someone asking questions and yung sobrang simple yung question, you can easily Google it. Please redirect them to do that instead. Like, let's teach them to fish, right? Instead of fishing for them. Kasi that's, it might be hard for someone and they might not understand it right away, but actually you're helping them, build that future instead of, feeding them that question right away. Kasi yun nga, bottom line, nagiging super dependent tayo dyan. And then, yun, nawawala na yung initiative natin. Right? All right, so I think we're seeing, let's see, overbought. Let's see. Mm-hmm. Oh, overbought na nga tayo. Ayan, it's all good. Waiting at looking at 60. We're hitting that overbought level, right? But it could reach actually 1530. Yun, grabe yung mga bulls, right? Bull run in tawag dito, right? Uh, dollar is actually gained and getting strong. Or at least for some. USD China has been strong. Or was gaining. Uh, 1522, 1529. It's a bit far, but let's see. Tingnan natin if gumana to. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, we're seeing that downward trend. This could be an opportunity to sell or short. Right? Let's see. Baka, all right, let's wait for that. I want to confirm time frames, right? This could be a potential. Uh, it's consolidating, right? But it could mean that it could break up to 1530, which is actually my next um, TP line there. It could break that resistance, but it could also go down back to the support line 1527, and that's like 2 points down, right? That's a good thing. The short, right? Opportunity, kumbaga. Although the bulls is still going out, it's reaching. Let's wait for that. As if once we see yung like it's gonna go back, right, and bring back and bumalik dito sa support line niya dito. The last time was actually 28, right? 28.8. It will show its um, indicator dito sa stock natin, right? Although nagsaslow down na yung buy volume. That's the reason that we want to see confirmation, right? Because it could go up or down, and you don't want to hindi ayaw mo maging you don't want to be there like parang maipit ka, di ba? Ang tawag nito ipit. So be careful, Jen. Let's see. So, kamusta yung mga virtual trading dyan? Can you share your virtual trading? Sa Twitch chat. Mm. Yes, okay. Let's see. Try natin yung... Oh, it broke 30. Mm-hmm. I could actually TP now. Could be. I could probably TP. Tingnan natin. Oh, hindi siya nag-update. Refresh natin. Buy and sells around 30. Yun, green na siya. My TP is actually dito sa this is a low risk, by the way. Sorry to confuse you. Ito yung low risk ko. So on the pound yen, it's still going down. I might add positions there. Ayan, wala ata tayong classmates dito online. Tulog ba yung mga nanonood ngayon? Make some noise. Friends, okay. It's still flying. The 30s. Ayun, nag-break na yung... Ayun, nag-break na yung horizontal line ko. That means it's breaking that resistance. Let's see if it breaks this level here. Just 1533. So I'd be careful to enter that. But it could actually, it's showing it's go down. Could be too early or I don't know. Yeah, I'm still waiting for that signal. Hindi pa rin siya nagpapakita. Because if you enter that, you know, guys, and you short that, it's basically um, could be potential gamble, right? But this is actually showing it's weakening. It could go down in a moment. I'm waiting for that confirmation. But ready na tayo sa short positions natin. Let's see, let's see. Could still reverse though. So, see, umakit pa rin siya. So, ingat-ingat. Dobling ingat. Especially if ayun, no? Nag-hit na siya 131. Did I TP? Yung sell, hindi pa. Yung TP natin dito is 13110. Mukhang nag-hit na. Or it could be breaking 132. 32. Tingnan na natin. Ayan. Medyo malapit na. That's low risk though. So ayan. Let's see. Let's wait for that. I'm looking to short it when it goes back down. But then I don't like hindi ako komportable pumasok ngayon because it's still not strong in the 15 minutes. Dito sa swing time frame natin, it could actually show that it's still not, it's still going up. So it's showing some trend going down, pero hindi pa nagko-cross yung fast stock natin at yung slower stochastic. So basically yung blue in my setup sa charting ko, it could be a different color for you, right? But in the blue is my fast stochastic. Tapos yung I think I chose orange here. Is my slower one. Oh, good evening, Tony Stock from Dubai. Shout out sa mga taga Dubai. Gold evening. Well, sa gold, sa commodities, kahit mag-holiday pa sa US, walang holiday dito. You're only closed on weekends. So trade pa rin tayo, di ba? Kasi, yung US alone yung market. Merong, nasa Australia, nasa Canada, nasa New York, nasa Hong Kong. Maraming markets pa open. Present si Peds, Pabs. Ayan. Let's see. Waiting. Patiently waiting. So, ganito yung day trading natin, right? We wait for it and look for that big breakout. It could potentially go back to 1524. Imagine that. Or first, of course, it will hit 1527. If it's gonna short, right, it's gonna go back down. But I am not seeing that happening right now. Looking at the trend, almost buying that. It's strong. But our bears are trying to. Yan, wala pa rin yung signal. Hindi pa confirm. I mean, I could see it. It's going down. Right now it's consolidating at the 30s. So yeah, it could fall back sa 29.68 or directly go down to 27.44. Munti ka na nag-TP yung low risk ko. It's a low risk ko, of course, because this is kind of long term, at least the whole week yung time frame ko. So I look at the day-to-day time frames, right? So delete na natin yung TP ko dyan. Actually, not delete, but I could move it. Right? Move natin sa baba. Because I'm planning to short if it goes down to 1527 natin. And then I'm gonna add. Save it. Sige, nakaset na yan. It's actually showing weakening. Nag-cross na yung sa 5 minutes. It's going down. Let's see. It's still going up though sa 15. Going to still bounce back. Let's see. Wait pa rin. Yeah, sideways pa rin yung stock natin. The volume is still showing na bulls pa rin. Nag-bull pa rin. So, while waiting for that, check tayo sa mga indicators natin, sa fundamentals, watch out for that. Yun, tumataas na ulit. See? It's not really safe to assume if it's like downwards, if the diretso ayun, nagko-cross na sa 5 minutes. And this could happen. In 15 minutes, still not crossing. Sa stock natin, still showing buy signals. So, wait natin. Nagko-consolidate siya sa 30. It could break 131. Actually, it already broke 131 kanina. It could break 132. Saan yung next resistance natin? Here, 133.27 yung next resistance natin. That's 3 points up. Last close. Saan yun? Last close natin sa day 7 tapos nag 2 tayo. So medyo malayo, 8 points na yan, no? Actually, 10 points from the last close. 8 points from the opening. So let's wait for it. If you think about it, stochastic basically measures yung opening and closing, right? And usually yung closing, it would measure up close sa opening, right? So the way I see it is that potentially it could close near to the opening amount, right? But that's not always 100%, right? Kaya nga, uh, we want to be playing on that safe side. Ayun, yung 5 minutes, nag-over na siya, nag-sideways. That means consolidating. It could go down or up. That's the big question. And our trend is still buying. So, let's see. Wait lang. Wait. Patiently waiting. So, we're almost an hour or 45 minutes of stream natin. My stream today will, night streams natin is gonna be shorter compared to the, day stream natin. And again, please subscribe to our channel. This is a Twitch and also to our YouTube. The buttons are just down below. Please don't hesitate to click them. Ayun, it's gonna about to hit 31. Yeah. Bulls pa rin. Bulls. Bull run. Nag-TP na ba tayo dito sa low risk? Mukhang nag-TP. Hindi pa rin. Konting push. Dyan. Alright. Sa highest natin, hindi pa tayo nag-open ng positions because I'm looking at shorting. So I'm waiting for that signal to go. Na mag-go down yung price. At least 2 points. Yeah. And we'll open our position there. Showing it's going down. No confirmation. Showing weakening. Ayun, nag-drop. Nag-drop siya. Punta sa 30s. This is the 1 second, by the way. So if you notice na bilis yung movement niya, likot ng price, right? Because that's the 1 second real-time feed. I like to watch for it. It's actually about to go down here. This could be our entry point right now. And showing. So shorting. Yes, shorting tayo. Opening short positions and then we wait and pray. Let's see. Target is 28. Yeah. 28 tayo. Ayan, green, showing green. Come on, go down to 28. And so let's bring 1528 natin. There's a like 0.2 difference, right? So 2882 yung TP target ko. And adding positions. High risk natin, you should see it live if you're looking at it. There you go. All right, more volume, please. Volume for our bears. Bears, pasok. Pasok mga bear. Ayan, positive na tayo. Alright, go down, 28. And all green. And 28, 28. Just natin 28.5. Closer. Meet halfway tayo. Baka, less lang yung volume. We're looking at breaking this next level here. 29.15. Let's break that. Let's break that. Bears. Come on. Let's see it. Hovering there. Ayan na. There we go. So since we shorted, you should look at sa buy price, right? So because this is basically your basis pag nag-close kayo, right? So don't be confused, especially for newbies. So pag nag-sell kayo, nag-click na tayo kanina sa eToro, right? So the moment you clicked it, your actual price ng sell is actually used. Meron price difference, right? So what you're gonna be looking at is yung sa buy, right? Right now, this what we're looking at, all majority ng mga, actually lahat, I think, 100%, yes. Lahat ng mga exchange is the sell price, right? Because they're selling, right? They're selling. You're the buyer, you're the retailer, right? So you look for it. So now, since we're shorting, so buy yung, basis natin pag TP. So now I just set 1528 82 sa first TP target ko. So dito sa buy, I'm waiting for that to hit like 28 80, right? I'm actually just going to edit a bit. 29. Start natin. Let's see. I'm just gonna TP at 29.3. Adjust natin yung iba. Medyo steep yung 28. It's showing strength. Sige, down pa. Down, 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 down. 28 tayo. 28. Sige, let's go down. Ayan, down pa. Konti. Ayun, TP target. TP hit ako sa isang account ko. TP, all TP. I hope everybody sumakay doon. So that's a good ride dito sa pababa. It's actually still showing weakness. It's going down. I might still add in a few entries. Ayun, nag-TP hit tayo, right? There we go. Notification. Might still add positions because it's still showing it's going down actually, right? Let's see. Tingnan natin if it's still visible. All right, adding more. Added short. Sige. All right, all right. Let's see, let's see. All right, see again. 1528.8 pa rin tayo. 0.7. 0.7 tayo. Next TP. I just added 3 positions sa high risk natin. Good. All right, let's go down 5 minutes, 15 minutes. Tingnan natin. It happens. Come on, Bears. Pasok, pasok, pasok. Dito sa high risk, hindi nag-TP kanina. I mean, sa low risk. Yeah, it's showing. But sa high risk natin, we did TP'd and we're still open, have open positions there. So nag-TP tayo kanina. four positions, or actually three. Ayan, magandang good gains. Now we're waiting for that to go down still. So, konting pasensya. So, to all our copiers, it should also show on your end, on your execution, as long as you have, the right funds. Because if you're wondering, by the way, for all the newbies or the copiers, if um, anong tawag ito, like if you look at my profile sa Iris, kaya nakikita nyo may execution ako doon, and hindi nyo nakikita sa history or logs sa account nyo, sa nakakopy, that could also mean that hindi nag-meet yung requirements. Kasi not all trades are literally executed kasi merong mga requirements, right? So, for example, if, medyo mababa yung um, equity nyo or nasa copy portfolio nyo, yung budget nyo, and hindi niya ma-hit, then that means, hindi execute no, ng system automatically. Kasi it's proportion siya, di ba? So, yun lang. That's why I ask everybody to add funds if they can before we started, trading last week. Kasi yun yung possible scenarios, right? Sa iba. Kaya hindi ma-execute lahat ng trades. Alright, so I'm gonna end the stream like in 15-20 minutes. If you have questions, please type it now sa chat sa Twitch. And I'll try to answer those. And it's gonna hit there, 2810. And I'm just looking at the buy price rate because that's a sell price. Nakikita nyo. So, hintayin natin bumaba. Right. So, pasensya na if I can't like say out loud yung lahat ng mga executions ko because, it requires concentration to make sure that you're not actually, executing the wrong values. Phew. Dami nangyayari ng mga ganyan. So, ingat-ingat. Alright, still going down sa 5 minutes. Looking at swing time frame natin, it's showing it's still going down, right? So let's see if that happens. If not, then ayun, nag-hit na siya. Alright, let's see, go push down pa, push konti para ma-hit yung TP natin, which is 28.7, 28.7. So buy price should hit 28.7 and konti pa. Bears, come on. Pasok bears, pasok. Ayan, pasok mga bears. Right? Ayan, it's showing, so 1 second, it's actually trending down. All right. Here we go, push pa konti. It could drop quickly. It's consolidating, right? It could drop quickly back to, again, 27.4. Our TP here could be hit at 28.82. There we go. It's about to hit 28.82. That's a sell price though. So sa buy, that's the other side sa, sa spread, right? Kaya may price difference. I mean, that's how brokers make money, di ba? Dun sa difference. So the fees usually happens there, di ba? So, let's see. Ayun, hindi siya nagkabi ano nangyayari dyan. Alright, there we go. Sana yung mga bears dyan. Where are my bears at? Alright, so post your questions. And again, please don't forget to subscribe here to our Twitch channel, twitch.tv/Jed Valerdo. Please subscribe, and also to our YouTube channel. You could just easily look for me sa YouTube, using the same name, Jed Valerdo, sa YouTube channel natin. Thank you in advance. Can you guys hear me? I'm not sure if nawala yung connection ko or Because the price sa 1 second looks like hindi siya nag-move. Wait a minute. I maybe no, it's not break time yet, so not sure. Yeah, pa medyo nag-hold siya dyan. Same sa eToro. Hindi siya nag-move yung price. Hi, Jeb Kalan. Yeah, that's a very good question. I actually pinned a post or a message sa Discord channel natin. Please go to our Discord channel tapos join po tayo sa Copy Trading channel. Look for the pinned posts or messages, pinned messages sa Copy Trading channel. Meron po tayong schedule or tentative schedule kung baga depending on our results, right, for the next 2 weeks. So technically, next 2 weeks is the target time na bababaan natin yung um, tawag ito, yung risk para makapasok ulit yung iba. And you'll have that, same scenario. So when you go join, please first, for all the newbies, read and understand the read me channel. That's the top channel. Tapos, basahin nyo. Andin yung literal yung instructions doon. Just please read it, understand. Tapos, go to general and type the commands para pumasok sa different classrooms or channels, right? So, ito yung mga channels di natin dito. So, for copy trading, go here. Tapos yung question kanina ni Jeb, and this goes to everybody also na wondering kailan, just go here. This is, by the way, sa, of course, a desktop. And please just look for the pinned, and andun sa upper right side, pinned messages, andun yon. And may mga pinned messages doon. Usually, pag importante siya, and it's a frequently asked questions, pinipin natin. So, please look for those first. And para mas madali. Kasi we don't have that much bandwidth. Dumadami na tayo sa group, and then we can't answer all your questions one at a time. So please help us help you, right? So this also goes to those yung mga personal message or direct message. Please, help us help you, right? By looking at those, mga pinned messages and then yung channels natin sa tips and tricks. Thank you for asking that question, Jeb. Ayun, it's about to hit 0.7. Here we go. Medyo lumiit yung volume. Ayun, tingnan nyo yung volume. Ang grabing liit. Wait, mayroong market ata nagsarado or nag-close. Yeah. Maybe that's the reason. Kaya lumit yung volume. Sige, all right. Well, we're gonna end our stream for today. And again, thank you so much for everybody who tuned in. And I hope nag-practice din kayo sa sa virtual at the same time. Please share your results sa group page. That's where you post your results, by the way, sa group page para ma-encourage yung mga newbies, friends natin. Also, please, again, subscribe to my Twitch channel, this channel. Subscribe and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also share this stream sa walls nyo and then to your friends and also sa YouTube channel natin. Thank you so much. Gold morning, gold afternoon, and gold evening, wherever you are. Ingat sa leverage and road to recovery pa rin tayo. I'll see you in Discord and I'll still be trading, not just live, but still trading sa Discord. Thank you so much and I'll see you next time. Please check sa events group page for the next schedule. And thank you so much, guys.